Welcome to Luscombe Suzuki Leeds, and thank you for watching this walk around video of a Suzuki Vitara 1.6 SZT automatic. Absolutely fantastic condition, just arrived fresh into stock, originally sold by us, one private owner with full service history, again with us. Being the SZT, it does come with a reverse camera and sat-nav. Has all the mod cons with your Bluetooth, air conditioning, climate control, rear privacy glass. It is finished in superior white. Extremely good condition inside the vehicle as well as outside. It has only covered 14,800 miles. And there's your infotainment system, which couples up as your reverse camera, along with your digital radio and Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. And your climate control settings are down there. All our vehicles come fully serviced and provided with a 12-month MOT. If you'd like any further information, please do give us a call on audibly 132 712 288 and ask for Sean. Thank you.